Dad. Whoa! What are you doing now? Oh, thank you. I'm driving.
Just step in here.
But you're driving. I was you could have cried. But you didn't know to do that. The train is moving hard and fast. What's less all the way they're driving you do that? Magic always leads to trouble. Phew! That was close right there. No wait for Auntie Angie's come back. Mommy, the train is all of it.